Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: a GCP project with billing, Vertex AI API enabled, and a service account with Vertex and storage roles. Once done, upload or point to your dataset in cloud storage or BigQuery and note the exact path. Next, open Vertex AI Studio and select Create to begin a new workspace. This creates assets and links your project. Make sure to choose region and permissions carefully because they determine latency and access for training and deployment. You now pick the right modeling path: Auto ML for speed, custom training for control, or a pipeline for reproducible steps. Configure compute, CPU versus GPU, machine type, and budget because costs scale quickly. Then map your data schema and define train/validation/test splits. This prevents overfitting and enables honest metrics. Once configured, start the training run and monitor logs and resource utilization. If metrics trend poorly early, pause and adjust hyperparameters or augment data before wasting compute. To finish, deploy your trained model to an endpoint, pick auto-scaling and traffic split, and enable authentication tokens for clients. Once serving, enable model monitoring and logging so you catch drift, latency spikes, or prediction skew. These are early warning signs. If inference fails, check service account IAM, region mismatches between model and endpoint, and container startup logs for missing dependencies. Finally, iterate, retrain with fresh data, or adjust scaling. This keeps performance reliable and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.